Well, this technology that I just showed you, we were able to get the regeneration down to 8 days and then eventually under 1 day. So imagine that, being able to regenerate the head of a worm in less than 1 day. What if we could apply a technology like that to human beings? That's going to be, of course, our ultimate goal. But this technology is very expensive, and so we want to be able to offer an affordable way to activate stem cells. So how do we do that? And how would this technology work? Okay, well, we are going to turn to light therapy for the answer to this, because I have been developing light therapy products now for 20 years. We have quite a bit of experience and knowledge in how to activate different biochemical pathways in the body with light. And we want to look at how can we do this? What are the control mechanisms for stem cells in the body? You simply apply the patch to the body, and the patch will stimulate the skin with light. So we're not putting any chemicals from the patch into the body. The materials in the patch are completely sealed, and these materials are activated by your body heat. The patch will stimulate the skin with light and produce a biochemical change.